For you to start a share screen, you will need to call somebody. Let's call somebody from my list. Tap on that person's name and tap the call button from the top. The call has started. Now, tap on the three dots from the bottom left. Here you will see the screen sharing option. Tap Share Screen. Now you will receive a notification about exposing sensitive info. This info could be different depending on the Android version and your brand of phone. If you are sure to start the screen sharing, tap on Start Now. Now screen sharing is started. Let's see how this looks on somebody else's screen. Here is the other account connected to the call. You will see that this person sees your current screen. Any notification, any data is visible to that person. The screen sharing has a bit of a lag, but that's normal. See a bit how it behaves. To stop the share screen, just go back to the Skype app. You will have on the top a Stop Screen button. Tap on it and the screen sharing should stop. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them on the comments area below.